Hello everyone, myself Mr. Valmik Tanpure and this is my channel Education Tech. If you like this video, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Now see, today we are going to study the data handling. This chapter is under the classics. Classic chapter is there, data handling. In data handling we are going to study the pictograph. What we are going to study? Pictograph we are studying. Pictograph, that means whatever graph we have to show with the help of pictures. Graph we have to show with the help of pictures. That means suppose there is a one shop is there. Okay, there is a one shop is there, and that shop in that shopkeeper is selling some items. Okay, some items, some things, some pens, books, etc. Okay, that are selling. Okay, so for the sale, that means whatever he is selling, suppose he is selling the some things. Okay, whatever otherwise we can say the books. Suppose books are selling. What selling? Books are selling. So suppose we will take books is equal to suppose 10 books. Okay, and for the 10 books we will make the one picture. We will make the one picture, that means one pictograph. So suppose from Monday to Friday. Suppose on Monday he is selling suppose 20 books. On Tuesday he is selling suppose 25 books. On Wednesday he is selling suppose 40 books. Then on Thursday he is selling 50 books, and on Friday again he is selling suppose 15 books. So we have to show it graphically. How we can show? Suppose we have taken here the scale. Suppose this is our scale. Okay, this is our scale. So to show on Monday, okay, we have to show the 20 books. So here we have to make the one picture means 10, another one picture means 20. How to show the 25? Because we have in the table of 10, so we have taken in the table of 10, so we can take here 10, 20, and then draw the half picture. So 25, then 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then Thursday he is selling 50 books, so 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. On Friday 10 and 15. So here you can make the like that half picture, or otherwise you can use like that half picture also. Okay, but keep one type of drawing of pictures for the half one. So what you can use like that picture. So this is the 15. So 10 and 5, 15. Okay, again here you can write down the frequency. The frequency already written here. Okay, so here again you have to write down it 20, 25, 40, 50 and 15. Okay, here pictograph frequency. Suppose you have to ask some question depend on this pictograph. Okay, on which day I am preparing the question. Suppose on which day maximum sale. Okay, so on which day you can see on Thursday